Not every shot in an ad needs a person talking to the camera. Sometimes you just need a clean product shot, a scene or a cutaway, and this feature built exactly that from a prompt and a reference image. Today I'm showing you the video tool inside ArcAds, powered by Cdance 2.0, separate from talking actors, and by the end of this video you'll know how to generate a scene around your own product photo without filming anything. So here we are again, and what we'll do, we'll give you another quick recap for anyone new to the series. ArcAds is an AI platform for marketing, videos, and ad creatives. So far we've covered talking actors and image generation. This week we're looking at video, the option that sits right next to those two on the dashboard, but works completely different. Let's dive in. Okay, so we'll go to our new project. There we are. And then we'll go to video. Now, where talking actors needs a script and a presenter, video just needs a prompt, and optionally your own image, audio, or video dropped straight in as a reference. That's Cdance 2.0 doing the work here. Okay, so let's create one. I've started a new project. I've clicked on video. Now, before writing anything, drop in a reference. I'll upload a product photo. It shows up right in the prompt box, right? And tagged as image 1. You can add more than one reference if you need to. Images, audio, even video. So I will upload this product, okay? We've uploaded that product. So now we write the prompt. And this is the key part. Type a / and you can pull your upload image straight into the sentence with / image 1. So I'll put that there and paste. Yeah. So instead of just describing a generic product, you're telling ArcAds exactly what to build the scene around. The more specific you are about the setting, lighting, and movement, the closer it lands to what you actually pictured. So here we've got place / image 1 on a wooden table with soft morning light, camera slowly panning in. We've got that there. Now, down at the bottom, you can set how many versions to generate in one go, and the settings icon next to it gives you a bit more control over the output. Worth a quick look before you generate, especially if you want a few takes to choose between. Let's just choose 2 takes, and you've got the model there that you can use. You've got the aspect ratio. It's only 10 seconds. The resolution is all there. So you've got all the video settings there, and we'll choose between 2 generated images, videos. So we have all that set. Now, once the prompt and the references are set, hit generate. Again, it comes up, it shows you how many credits you're going to use. We hit that generate, and ArcAds builds the scene around your image. And after a few minutes, you will have a finished clip ready to download. Okay guys, so let's just take a quick second for the sponsor of today's video, called Lead Sniper. So Lead Sniper will help you convert leads into actual clients using a Google scraper, Google Map scraper, and a yellow scraper, all in one place. So if you want to turn those leads into clients, go and check out Lead Sniper. The link will be in the description below. So let's get on with today's video. 1, 2, both generating, and we'll come back when these have been generated. Okay, so here we are. We've got our 2 finished results, right? Your actual product placed into a real scene, moving the way you described, with no filming and no actor needed. This is where it plugs the gap we flagged back in the recent episode. Talking actors can't physically hold your product, but a generated clip like this can sit right alongside the actor footage as a cutaway, giving the ad something to show while the actor's still talking. So that's the first one. It's added some music to it as well, and we'll look at the second one. Here's the second one, slightly different, with a slightly different zoom coming in, the product at a slightly different angle, but it's these small details that can make the difference. I'd probably go with the first one, but yeah, And from here, it's easy to generate a few more variations of the same scene or swap in a different reference image to reuse the same prompt for another product. And that's a video tool, not a replacement for talking actors, but the piece that fills in what they can't do. Next time, we'll look at another feature inside ArcAds to help you get even more out of the platform. We hope you like this video. If you do, don't forget to hit the like button, tap subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.